Hi, I'm Al McKinnon from Avid, and welcome to our booth 721 at InfoComm 2013. This year we've got an amazing product to talk about. It's the new Avid S3L, our latest console in our live sound portfolio. So this is a Yukon, an AVB-enabled digital mixing system for professional live sound and studio applications. And what's exciting about it is it brings new functionality that's never been seen before in a live sound console. So the system is a 64 input channel system with 27 buses, 8 mono matrices, 8 VCAs, and up to 20 simultaneous AEX plugins that connects to up to 4 remote I/O units to give you 64 mic pre's on stage and an additional 6 mic pre's local at the mix position. It's comprised of this super compact control surface that connects over Cat5 cable to the E3 engine, which is the central processor of the system, which is running an HDX engine inside there, and then it connects to up to 4 of these stage 16 remote I/O units for 64 mic pre's on stage, all over the Ethernet AVB on Cat5 cables. And this is a fully redundant connection that we have here. So the entire backbone of the system is both Yukon for control and AVB for audio networking. And it's an entirely networked system. So it brings additionally five key things, 5 unique points about this console. Firstly, it's compact and modular. It runs AEX plugins. It's the best Pro Tools integration with any live sound console that exists. It has a very, very simple configuration of the AVB network, and it runs the venue software. So it's compact and modular. The control surface is extremely powerful, even though it only has 16 faders. It's very easy to navigate around, and lots of control can be provided across the 32 encoders and across the 16 faders. We've made sure that the console is lightweight so that it can be portable between different applications. The console connects with a single Cat5e cable to the engine. And the engine, as it's based on the HDX format, will run AEX plugins. So you can have 20 simultaneous plugins running at once on this system, all in the AEX format, which is the next generation of plugin format that we're seeing within Pro Tools right now. So we get all of that goodness for all of what the studio guys are using in their Pro Tools mixers. We can now use that live. The connection over AVB to the remote I/O units couldn't be simpler. We've designed it so that it's drag and drop, plug and play, and complete redundancy is provided via a network ring without any audio dropout or glitches within the audio when providing that seamless redundant switchover. In addition to that, we run the venue software across this new product and all the other venue systems, so that we get true show file portability from the smallest S3L right up to the biggest, most expanded, most expensive 100K plus D-Show system, and vice versa. Which means you only need to learn the software once, and you're set up across all of these different systems. To learn more about Avid S3L, go to avid.com/S3L. Thank you very much.